Pan-Asianism for its own purposes. In the Second World War, there would be something called a concept called the Greater East Asia Co-Prosperity Sphere. Yes, it's a mouthful, but that's the official name. This is, one of my history professors back in college called it, this is the marketing front that Japan uses to disguise their war aims. But that's a very simplistic Allied way of looking at it, because truthfully, a lot of people bought into this idea, whether or not the government did, and some of the people in the government certainly did. The problem with the idea of creating apparently had been captured in a skirmish. The horrible scene foreshadowed the atrocities committed in every area touched by Japanese forces during the Pacific War. End quote. Now, the Japanese certainly committed atrocities on a wide scale, but we should make some cultural allowances, I think, shouldn't we?